Alright, let's talk about evaluating exponential functions. An exponential function is a function f of x equals a to the x, where a is greater than 1. Where a is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. Okay, so let's look at some examples of how to evaluate. So here we have f of x is 2 to the x, g of x is 1/4 to the 1 minus x, and h of x is negative 3 to the x. So I want to find f of 3 halves. So I'm going to take the 3 halves and I'm going to plug it in for x here. So this is equal to 2 raised to the 3 halves. Okay. Now I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to change it to radical form. So 2 to the 3 halves, we can change that to the square root of 2 to the third, which equals the square root of 8. And then if we simplify the square root of 8, that's going to be what? 2 square roots of 2. And there's your final answer. Let's take a look at f to the negative 3. So I'm going to put negative 3 in for x. So that equals 2 raised to the negative 3. And so we're going to make the exponent positive using our exponent rules. So that's 1 over 2 cubed, which equals 1/8. And there's your answer. Alright, let's look at g to the third. So, g of 3. So we have 1/4 raised to the 1 minus x. I'm going to plug the 3 in for x. So I have 1/4 raised to the 1 minus 3, which equals 1/4 raised to the negative 2. Alright, so now I need to make the exponent positive. Remember, if I have a fraction, I can take the reciprocal, and that changes the sign of the exponent. So that's going to be, let me rewrite that. That's going to be 4 squared, which is 16. And there's your answer. Now let's do h of 2. That's going to be, I'm going to put the 2 in for x. So that's negative 3 squared, which equals, now remember, the squared is not with the minus, it's just on the 3. So this is equal to negative 9. And that's how you evaluate your exponential functions.